Like riding that horse, Braden? Is that fun? Is that fun? You gonna get off now? Good job. No. It's Gage's crib. There's Gage. Say hi. Say hi, Gage. Say hi, Gage. What are you doing? Yeah? Oh. You're working on something. Braden. Be careful. You can get up there. Daddy showed you how. You can do it. What's Gage thinking about? He's thinking about something. Braden, can you say brother? Can you say Abra? Gage. Are you frozen? Are you falling asleep? So you don't do much, do you? Nope. That's about it. That's about it for Gage.